Hi guys, you can use MikroTik Netwatch feature with a Telegram bot to receive alerts and notifications about the status of your network devices. Today in this video, I will show you how you can set up MikroTik Netwatch with a Telegram bot. Step 1. Create a Telegram bot. Next, log in the Telegram on web browser. In the Telegram search box, type botfather. Click on Start to chat with botfather. To create a new bot, send the command newbot to botfather. Next, botfather will ask you to choose the bot name. Enter your new bot name. Enter your bot username. The username must end with bot and it should be unique. After successfully creating your bot, botfather will provide you with a bot token. Next, copy the bot token and keep it secure. Step 2. Create a new group. Click on the new group. Add at least one member. Add your bot to group. Click on Next button. Enter your group name. Click on Next button. Finally, group is now created. Next, copy the group chat ID and keep it secure. Step 3. Create a Telegram bot script. Next, copy the MikroTik Telegram URL. In the API URL, enter your token number and chat ID. Copy the token number and paste on URL. Next, copy chat ID and paste on URL. Step 4. Configure Netwatch on MikroTik. Go to Tools and select Netwatch. Click on the plus button to add new Netwatch host. Enter your host IP address. Set your requirement interval time. Set your up and down script. Step 5. Test the configuration. Next, reboot the Netwatch host to check the Telegram notification alert.